You can see it's a little bit, it's not perfect. As you can see, it's a little bit distorted. So in this package there's a beautiful tag that comes with it, zip tag, as you can see, and you can see the shoes itself right here. The text is distorted. It's like a little bit not on place, not a perfect print. And actually, as you can see here, there's a dot of like a supposed to be a swoosh, Nike swoosh there, but it's removed. So let me pull out the shoe for you guys. It also comes with orange laces and blue laces, and the default laces are white color. Also has some tags over here on both of the shoes.
Bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor.
Ladies and gentlemen, so I actually pulled up a website right here. It says here authentic and fake shoes, and there's both pictures over here. So I'm gonna just walk you through this pair of shoes, show you the details. As you can see, the perfect stitching, see the materials they used here, and I'm gonna compare the photos on the website to authentic and fake, just to show you the quality of this replica shoes. And all the tags are perfect. From me, just looking at the shoe, it looks perfect. The print looks amazing. Okay, the stitching looks perfect, as you can see. I'm gonna compare some of these small little details on the shoes. As you can see, the stitching, look at this, the logo, and then yeah, I'm just gonna walk you through. So I'm gonna pull up the second shoe, as you can see, and yeah, I'm gonna compare it to this website. First picture over here. So let's take the first pair. See, as you can see, I don't know what they're trying to emphasize on this photo. It's pretty, it looks the same, but like it, exactly like it. Looks pretty much the same, just like on the photo. All right, let me go scroll down. As you can see, this is more zoomed in picture of it. So you take a look and you be the judge. You be the judge. What do you think? What do you think of this quality? And you can definitely find the website on your own, and then just pause the video so you can check it out more in details. As you can see, then if we go to the other side of the logo here, the Air Jordan logo, as you can see, which one looks more like it? I feel like the authentic one looks like more like it. Looks pretty much the same. All right.
I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That shit a dome shaker. Oh bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore.
More tricky part. Let me see the other side. Okay, here, what they're trying to emphasize, it's really hard to understand. Where's the fake, where's the original, like where's the real, where's the fake pair? As you can see, it's done amazingly. So you tell me what looks like exactly the same. I know the pictures might not look the same on the camera, so you can check out themselves on the website. Here's the quality, as you can see, all perfectly done. All right, you can see it yourself. You can pause the video just to check it out. Then, as you can see here, in some of the fake pairs they put too much stitching. As you can see, there's a little stitching and accurately done, clearly, perfectly.
Money on the line, plus I'm clocking that galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, well fuck it, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat, while I fuck up I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a dick but I never get feelings, cause shawty I know what you after. Okay,
the stitching, they don't put on the fake pairs, they put too much of stitching. As you can see here, it's a little stitching over here, goes up and down. That's it, they don't put too much. As you can see on the real pair, check out the real pair and this pair. So now you could spot the similarities, right? All right, compared to the fake pair, where it has, see, it has more stitching. 5 UK 9.5, 44.5, 28.5 centimeters. As you can see on the fake pair, the front boot looks really fat compared to the authentic one. It's supposed to be a little slimmer and a little bit, as you can see, you can see it yourself. This looks almost exactly like the authentic pair rather than the fake pair. As you can see right here, it's more slimmer at the front, and then it goes to the bigger shoe like this. So you can check it out yourself, guys. You can pause the video. To be too fat over here at the front. See the details, look at the material, insole, the inside the shoe.